Hello everyone, welcome to Gage Car Reviews, and today I'm reviewing this 2005 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor P71 Street Appearance Package. Starting off the hood, this is paint damage on the hood up there. You also got the Ford Crown Victoria grille up there, headlights, and the front bumper. Here's the side. In the back, got the tail lights and the reverse lights. Ford up there. And the side again. It is all not good paint condition. Paint's not doing good for the vehicle, but now let's take a look at the inside. This vehicle is manufactured on March of 2005. Here we are in the inside. Here is the Ford steering wheel. In the middle, you also got the Ford logo up there. There's no controls on the sides of the steering wheel. Just this is the first. This is actually the 2005 is the year they actually got a steering wheel redesign. So this one must be it. You also got the 4-station AM/FM radio. Got the tone, the clock. Seek and tune, change the radio stations, station 1, station 2, station 3, station 4, and AM/FM. Got the trunk release button up there, climate controls, and cup holders, and got the, I don't know what that is, but automatic transmission. Certified speedometer, fuel and temperature. This vehicle currently has 35,062 miles in there. Here's the front seat and the back seat. No console up there. You also got the lights up there. You also got the dome light up there, which it doesn't work. Mirror up there. You also got this fold out mirror. You also got this other side too. On the left, you also got the windshield wipers and turn signals, headlights and gauges lights, mirror controls, window locks, and door locks. Now let's take a look at the back seat of the 2005 Ford Crown Victoria Street Appearance Package. Here's the back seat. Got this nice leather seating up there. No fold-out middle seat up there. Nothing in the back, but you can actually see the driver and the passenger of the 2005 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor P71. Alright, so I guess that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.